Okay, this is Lauren Weaver. This is my role model video tool for the counselor toolkit. This is my grandfather. He's Mike Spencer. He was a military veteran, and he is the reason I chose to be my interviewee. So you can go ahead, Papa.
You want me to go through the whole shebang again?
Like your introduction.
Oh,
Just introduce yourself first.
I'm Mike Spencer, a retired Master Chief Electrician of the United States Navy. Also retired electrical and instrument technician with Weyerhaeuser Paper Company.
Okay. So the character value that I was assigned was duty. So can you tell me what duty means to you?
I believe each person has a duty to perform all tasks to the best of his or her ability, as well as always speak truthfully and act honestly.
Okay. How do you recognize that duty is important to another person?
One can recognize what duty means to another person by how they deal with people, as well as how thorough they accomplish all tasks.
Okay. And how would you encourage a young person to grow in this value?
Young people should closely observe older, more experienced personnel in how they deal with other people, as well as how they perform assigned or assumed tasks.
Okay. Thank you, Papa.